The City of Lethbridge in Alberta, once the heart of Canada's coal industry, and now a place where partnerships happen.
This is a small, vibrant, dynamic community. We're at the heart of one of the most productive agricultural sectors in Alberta. We also have a very diverse industrial sector here as well. We have an incredible investment in post-secondary education and infrastructure. This is all about partnership. Partnership of people in this community, a partnership with First Nations and Métis people, and a partnership with our rural neighbors. We are not intent on building the biggest city in Alberta or in Canada. We're intent on building the most vibrant, dynamic, inclusive community.
In West Lethbridge, the city has partnered with a public school, a Catholic school and a public library, as well as the province of Alberta, creating a steering group to build this state-of-the-art school with a central library for the local community.
We have people looking constantly for more ways to collaborate because it's been such a positive experience. And ultimately, for the citizens of Lethbridge, it is a win because the more you facilitate cooperation through government, through municipal government, through communities, the better off everyone is. The center part is the library, and then this side.
And working with education is at the centre of the city's strategy.
For Lethbridge, having two stellar post-secondary education institutions is very important to us. We have the University of Lethbridge and the Lethbridge College. And when you have those type of options available to citizens, it not only helps with educational opportunities, but also for culture and recreational possibilities that otherwise we couldn't have. Our relationship with the University of Lethbridge goes back to its inception over 40 years ago. Some of the recent examples are a wellness center that was built, a $30 million wellness center. We contributed to it, and now the community has access to it. Most recently is a community stadium, which is going to open this fall in a couple of months and be available to all community groups for football and other sports.
Well, the University of Lethbridge and the City of Lethbridge have one of the closest relationships of any university and city that I know of in North America. I can't imagine the City of Lethbridge without the university, and I certainly know the university would not exist without the City of Lethbridge.
Sunridge is Canada's first built green community, combining economic, environmental and social aspects of living. This is where you'll find the Living Home, a show home exhibiting the cutting edge of sustainable design. It was only possible through partnership between the city, the college and a local builder.
We fronted all the money in this. We've allocated a $500,000 budget for this project. The college brought in together 2 instructors, plus over 200 students that have worked on this project to do a lot of research of materials. And then the builder, Cedar Ridge Quality Homes, came together to prove what constructible elements should be incorporated in and put the house together for us. The city can control the public space, being the roadways and parks, to promote sustainability, but the next level is to get to the home builder themselves. And by doing this project, we have been able to demonstrate to home builders that they can be part of the sustainable solution.
The city's dedication to partnership saw it some years ago hand responsibility for economic development to a new organisation, which has encouraged the expansion in Lethbridge of companies like Sun Life and Pratt & Whitney.
Economic Development Lethbridge has a 25-member board that pretty much represents every major economic driver sector within our community. But then we also have representation from not-for-profits, the environment sector, areas that people might not typically think of as economic development. But what we believe is that community-based economic development has to be driven by the values of the community. A lot of the work that we do is around helping companies that are interested in locating in Lethbridge get access to the information, the data, the resources that they might need.
One company that moved to Lethbridge is Ring Container, which supplies plastic bottles to local companies.
Economic development in Lethbridge really understands the needs of the business, specifically manufacturing. And with that understanding and their understanding of the needs for Lethbridge itself, and really having planned development in the region, was the right fit. It was right fit for Ring Container, for economic development, and Lethbridge as a whole.
I call Lethbridge Alberta's smart community. We're going to create our future. We're going to do it with creativity, innovation, and hard work.